Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Grindr account on Android. If you're done with the app and want to remove your data for good, this guide is for you. So, let's get started. First, open the Grindr app on your phone. Tap the person icon at the top left to open the sidebar. Scroll down and tap Settings. Under Account, scroll and select Deactivate. Tap the Delete icon button at the bottom. Choose your reason or hit Skip. A prompt will appear. Tap Delete on the left to confirm. And that's it. Your Grindr account is now deleted permanently. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.